case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark maritime case in 1979, a group of seamen filed a lawsuit against Protection Maritime Insurance, which had been allegedly blacklisting them. The insurance giant purportedly demanded settlement sheets detailing crew member information after each fishing trip to categorize the seamen as a so-called special risk of loss. Upon identification, these seamen were then marked as high risk and premiums on the vessels they worked increased. The motive, the court discovered, wasn't driven by actual risk, but rather was an underhand tactic of meting out retribution against seamen who had previously filed personal injury claims against the insurance company. The court found that 8 out of the 14 plaintiffs had been victimized in this manner. They were pushed into the high-risk category not for genuine risk-related reasons, but because they had taken their past injury claims against the insurance company into court, instead of simply settling. The aggrieved seamen sought both injunctive relief and damages in the federal court. In an initial victory for the seamen, the court granted interim relief. It ordered the insurance company to halt its practice of raising premiums for vessel owners employing the 8 primary plaintiffs. Furthermore, it ceased the requirement for settlement sheets as a precondition for insurance policies. Yet in a further twist, the insurance company appealed the decision. However, the court firmly backed the seamen and threw out the appeal. The court upheld the liability judgment and temporarily halted the defendants from increasing premiums for the 8 plaintiffs. It issued a temporary injunction against Protection Maritime Insurance, restraining them from pumping up premiums for these plaintiffs until the issue of damages was fully resolved. However, the court also noted that the required injunction involving settlement sheets was overly broad. The court thus ordered this part of the ruling to be reconsidered, providing the insurance company with a slight reprieve. Unless deemed necessary to safeguard the 8 prevailing plaintiffs' rights, the requirement for settlement sheets might eventually be dropped. In this roundabout battle, the court reinforced the crucial principle. Businesses cannot misuse their power to deter individuals from exercising their rights. In line with this, the court's ruling underscored that the private sector would be held liable if its actions led to harm or unfair treatment of others.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.